Hey, snare drummers, welcome back. Today we're doing Alfred's book, lesson number 8 on 16th notes and 8th notes. On this page, primarily we're going to use two combinations of notes. We're going to use an 8th and 2/16th pattern, and then we're going to use a 2/16th and 8th pattern, and we'll explain them as we go. In exercise number 1, we've got the 8th and 2/16ths. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a... I call it the blueberry rhythm because blueberry has the syllables of the 8th and 2/16ths rhythm pattern. Let's give it a shot, and we're going to play through it 3 times. First time with the counting, and then the other 2 times with the stickings that they recommend. Here we go. 1, 2, 1 and a 2 and a ready and a go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a right, right, left, left. Good. Now number 2, we're going to add some 16th notes. Ready? 1 and a 2 and a number 2, go. 1 and a 2 and a 3E and a 4E and a 1 and a 2 and a 3E and a 4E and a right, right, left, left. Number 3 moves those 16th notes in between our 8th note and 2/16th rhythm pattern. 1 and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and a. Here we go. 1, 2, number 3, 1 and a 2E and a ready and go. 1 and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and a 1 and a 2E and a 3 and a 4 and right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Next up is number 4. Number 4 takes away some of our 16th notes and replaces them with 8th notes. 1 and a 2 and ready for go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and... Switch, left, left. Number 5 does more of the same. We're slowly taking away the dotted 8th and, the 8th and 2/16ths. Number 5, 1 and a 2 and ready, set, go. And a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and right, left, left, right. Going on to number 6. Now in number 6, you'll notice the 16th notes coming first. Ready? 1 and 2 and here we go, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3E and 4E and 1 and 2 and 3E and 4E and right, right, left, left. Good. Number 7. 1E and 2 and ready and go. 1E and 2 and 3E and 4 and 1E and 2 and 3E and 4 and right, right, left, left. And finally, number 8. Here we go. We have both examples. 8th and 2/16ths, and then 2/16ths and an 8th. 1 and a 2 and 3E and go. 1 and a 2 and 3E and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3E and 4 and... And now we're ready for our combination study. So for this combination study, we'll play it with the repeat. I'll count and play the first time, and then I'll just play along with you for the second time. 1, 2, 1 and a 2 and ready and go. 1 and a 2 and 3E and 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3E and a 4 and 1 and 2 and 3E and 4E and 1E and a 2E and a 3. 4. 1 and a 2E and a 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and a 3E and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3E and 4E and 1 and a 2E and a 3. How did you do on your combination study? If you need to, repeat it. So I hope this has been helpful and you've learned something about the 16th notes and 8th notes that you can carry on with you going forward. So until I see you in our next video, keep drumming.